Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the computer name on your Windows XP computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Start menu and then right click on My Computer and select Properties. And now you want to select the Computer Name tab. And you want to select where it says to rename this computer or join a domain. Click Change. Select the Change button. Now you can change your computer name to whatever you want right here. And you can type in anything, so it doesn't really matter to me. And you're going to go ahead and select OK. And give it a moment. And you will need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. So select OK, OK again, and now restart your computer. So, pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.